Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to find a solution about Google Meet app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you'll enter to the window of Google Meet and we click. Then this list of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.